हेलो फ्रेंड्स एजुफेवरेन चैनल को समस्त को स्वागत करुच्ची। आज मु वीडियो रु इंडियन पॉलिटी गोटे सीरीज स्टार्ट करी जो थी कि टॉपिक वाइज एमसीक्यूज रहिबो। ओके तो देखो फर्स्ट चैप्टर होची आपनकर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डेवलपमेंट। तो यही चैप्टर रु टॉपिक वाइज सब इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मु कवर करबी एवं एही सब क्वेश्चंस आपनकर ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस प्रीलिम एग्जाम, ओडिशा हाईकोर्ट एएसओ, सेक्रेटरीट एएसओ एवं अन्य जे कोनोसी एग्जाम पई यूजफुल हबो। ओके तो वीडियो रु स्टार्ट करिया गरो आपन माने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करै नांती प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु एवं बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दियंतु एवं लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाया पे। तो चलंतु वीडियो को स्टार्ट करिबा। तो देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द फीचर्स ऑफ द रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट ऑफ 1773? It created executive council for Governor General of Bengal. It is provided for the establishment of Supreme Court at Calcutta. It made the governors of Bombay and Madras presidencies subordinate to the Governor General of Bengal. It designated the Governor of Bengal as the Governor General of Bengal. Okay, तो सबू ए जिते सब ऑप्शन अछि सबू होचे गोटे फीचर्स ऑफ रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट ऑफ 1773. सो राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन ई, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्ट एंश्योर्ड द एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट इन इंडिया? योर राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज द रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट ऑफ 1773. Which of the following act made the Governor of Bengal as the Governor General of Bengal? Your right answer is option D, that is the Regulating Act of 1773. Next question, which of the following act led to the introduction of dual system of government in India? Your right answer is option A, that is Pitt's India Act 1784. Pitt's India Act, introduced by British Prime Minister William Pitt, was passed in 1784. It distinguished between the commercial and political functions of the company. It allowed the court of directors to manage the commercial affairs. It created a new body, board of control, to manage the political affairs, thus establishing a system of double government. Okay. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct? Pitt's India Act 1784 established the dual system of governance in India. The first Governor General in India was Lord Mountbatten. The Regulating Act 1773 was the first step to regulate the affairs of the company. The Regulating Act 1773 established a Supreme Court at Calcutta. तो देखो तो सब स्टेटमेंट इट इज करेक्ट, खाली ऑप्शन बी जोटा कि द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल इन इंडिया वाज लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन, ए स्टेटमेंट अछि इनकरेक्ट. ओके तो राइट आंसर अछि आपन ऑप्शन बी. आपन देखो फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल होचंदी के ना वारेन हेस्टिंग्स. The first official Governor General of British India was Lord William Bentinck. Okay, the first Governor General of the Dominion of India was Lord Mountbatten. Last Governor General of Dominion of India was Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. Next question, which of the following Charter Act ended the monopoly of the trade of East India Company with China and Sea Route also? So here right answer is option B, that is Charter Act of 1833 AD. Actually, Charter Act of 1813 ended the monopoly of the East India Company in India. However, the company's monopoly in trade with China and trade in tea was remained intact. Okay, जोड़ा कि आपनकर Charter Act 1833 द्वारा end करा जायतला. Next question, which of the following act of British regime laid the foundation for central administration in India? The right answer is option C, that is the Regulating Act of 1773. Which of the following Charter Act had made the Governor General of Bengal as the Governor General of India? So here right answer is option B, that is Charter Act of 1833. Lord William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India. Okay, next question, the act during the regime of East India Company responsible for paving the way for shipment of opium to China is? Right answer is option D, that is the Charter Act of 1793. Which of the following act of British India ended the company rule and started the British Raj or governance by Queen? The right answer is option B, that is the Government of India Act 1858. The British East India Company Act that opened India to missionaries is? The right answer is option D, that is the Charter Act of 1813. Which of the following act of British had separated legislative from executive? Your right answer is option B, the Charter Act of 1853. Which of the following act of British regime introduced separate religion-based laws for Hindus and Muslims? Your right answer is option A, the Settlement Act of 1781. English Education Act came into force in? Right answer is option C, that is 1835 day. Which of the following is or are true? Act for the Good Government of India was passed in 1858. Lord Dalhousie became the first Viceroy of India. So only option 1 it was ठीक. So A is the right answer. This important act means Government of India Act 1858 was enacted in the wake of the revolt of 1857, also known as the First War of Independence or the Sepoy Mutiny. The act is known as the Act for the Good Government of India. It abolished the East India Company and transferred the powers of government, territories and revenues to the British Crown. Lord Canning became the first Viceroy of India. Okay, next question. Which of the following is correct about the provision of the Government of India Act 1858? देखो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. इट एंडेड द सिस्टम ऑफ डुअल गवर्नमेंट बाय अबोलिशिंग द बोर्ड ऑफ कंट्रोल एंड द कोर्ट ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्ट्स वाज डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय जवाहरलाल नेहरू एज चार्टर ऑफ स्लेवरी? तो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935. द मोस्ट शॉर्ट लिव्ड ऑफ ऑल ऑफ ब्रिटेन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स इन इंडिया वाज द इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट ऑफ 1990, जो कि पार्लियामेंट्री रिफॉर्म भी कह जाए. ओके, टाइम स्पान ऑफ गिवन एक्ट्स देखो. इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट 1861 हो 31 इयर्स, इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट ऑफ 1892 17 इयर्स, इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट ऑफ 99 10 इयर्स, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1919 16 इयर्स. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट अबाउट चार्टर एक्ट ऑफ 1853? It introduced an open competition system of selection and recruitment of civil servants. It introduced for the first time local representation in Central Legislative Council. It abolished the East India Board of Control and Court of Directors. It extended the company's role. तो ये देखो तो अपन जो ऑप्शन 1 and 2 होची करेक्ट. ओके, सो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. What is the correct sequence of the following developments in the constitutional history of India? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर देखंतु मॉर्लेमेंटो रिपोर्ट आपनकर 1909 रे हेतला. ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, मॉर्लेमेंटो रिपोर्ट 1909 रे हेतला. देन आपन मॉन्टेगो चेम्सफोर्ड रिपोर्ट 1919, सिमोन कमिशन आपनकर 1927 में आसलो, 1928 रे रिपोर्ट हेतला. देन कैबिनेट मिशन प्लान 1946. ओके, सो द राइट सीक्वेंस इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 2 3 4 and 1. So this is the end of the question. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with your friends.